So hello there friends, Harsh here back with yet another easy tutorial at Robotech, and today's video is part of the Pi Hack series that we have started, and in this video we are going to see how to edit and make new files using the terminal of the Raspberry Pi. So without wasting time, let us start. So the first thing that we are going to see is how to make new files and edit them at the same time. Edit is like add new content to the file. So to do that we have the cat command. So to create a new file using cat, we have to hit in cat greater than sign name of the file, that is harsh.txt. I am naming it harsh.txt. So it's a new file, you all can name it anything. So now once I hit on enter, it will ask us to add the content of the file. So here you can type anything. Let us type in this line is added using cat, and then hit on enter. And to save this, my battery is running low, I'll just plug in my charger. So yes, so now to save this thing in the file, you have to hit on enter. After you have added all your content, hit on enter, get to a new line, and do control C. So this will get saved, the file will get saved. So now to read the file again without editing it, so you can't change an already created file using cat. So to you can only read it or then create a new file and then add content. So to read the file, now you will do in harsh.txt without any greater than sign. So this will just read the file. As you all can see, this line is added using cat, and that's done. So now we can edit this file using the nano or the vim editor. So to do that, let's do sudo nano space harsh.txt and hit on enter. So this will take us to a new command line thing, where this is just harsh.txt is open and you can edit the file. So now I will add here, this line is added using nano. So control O to save. So here you have to use the control O command to save the file. So it will ask if we want to change the name of the file. So I don't want to change, so I'll just hit on enter. So now the thing is saved. As you all can see, it has written 2 lines. Now to exit out of this new terminal phase, that is has just the content of the harsh.txt, it has the nano editor, we'll use the control X command. So we are back to our older terminal, and here we have to now install the vim editor using the command sudo apt get vim and hit on enter. Install, I forgot to type in install, so just install vim and hit on enter. So now it will check if we want to continue, so I'll just hit on Y and hit on enter then. So let the thing download and install. So these errors are because I haven't set up my locals and all that stuff, local as we say, because I wanted to record a video and I had some less time, so I just started recording it instead of just setting up all the local and thing. And it's the thing is that I have just booted into my Pi, new booting is there, headlessly booted into it, so the setup is not complete. So yes, the thing is done. So I will just clear up the terminal using the clear command, and then we'll have a new terminal, fresh terminal, and here I will type in vim. It's good to be a super user, so I'll just sudo vim harsh.txt, the name of the file, and hit on enter. So this should open our file harsh.txt soon. So as you all can see, we are into this file, and now there are 3 different modes of the vim editor. The first is normal, the second is insert or editing mode, and the third is the command line mode. So the normal mode is the mode which just allows us to read the document by using the arrow keys. The second mode is the editing mode, where we can add documents and all by clicking on the I button. As you can see, insert mode is enabled, so I can then go to the next line by using the arrow keys. So I'll just hit on enter and add a new line, and I will type in this line is added using vim. So this was the editing phase of the vim editor. So now to quit this phase and switch to a new phase, you have to click on the escape button. So the insert mode will be exited, and now you will just be able to read the file. As you all can see, I can just read the file, I am not able to do anything more. So there are also, now we will check the command line phase, where you will have to use the colon key. So I'll just type colon Now to navigate to a certain line, suppose you have a 1,000 line file, so you all can just scroll down, going on scroll down. When you know that you have to edit the line on the suppose 8th line, you will say, or the 950th line you want to edit, so you all can just go on scrolling down below to edit the file. So here the command line phase comes into use, where you have to click on escape to exit from the inserting mode or the editing mode, and then type in colon and then the line number you want to go to. So here we only have 3 lines, so now I will go to the third line, so colon 3 and hit on enter. So as you can see, my cursor moved to the third line, and here I can read this line, and to edit I will use I again and edit whatever I want to do, escape, and then again go to a new line if I want to. So that's the thing. Now if you want to go to the end of the document, when you are at the topmost part, so as you all can see, I am on the topmost part, I want to go to this end, so you have to use colon and then the dollar sign and hit on enter. So this will take us to the last line, and then we can just scroll, as you all can see, here and there. And so this is done. Then what was more in the command line thing? So yes, you all can, the major thing of the command line thing is that you have to save and exit. So to save and exit, there is this command wq and hit on enter. So this will save the file. As you all can see, it was successfully saved. So now let us use cat to read the file. So harsh.txt, I'll hit on enter. As you all can see, cat, this line was added using cat, using nano, and using vim. So these 3 lines are added. So now let us also see how to exit without saving in the vim editor. So let's go back to vim. Here I will go to the bottommost line here, then I will click on the I to insert. I'll hit on enter, add a line, something nonsense I have added. I'll escape now. So now what happened is that I don't want to save this file. So to not save this file and exit from the vim editor, you have to do colon to go to the command line phase, and here you have to type q and the exclamation mark and hit on enter. So now you exited without saving. So now let us check if we have successfully exited without saving. So as you all can see, only 3 lines are there, not the new line was not added. So this is pretty much summed up the editing of, yes, I forgot touch. So touch is used to create empty files when you don't have any content to add. So let us see touch. I will add harsh1.txt. So this will just create the file. It does not provide us with the facility to edit the file or add some content like the cat. So touch is just used to create empty files. Then you can edit this file using nano or vim. So this pretty much sums up the editing and making of new files using the terminal video. So thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit on the bell icon for more such interesting videos. Thank you.